In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to speed up your video in PowerDirector. So let's get started. So in here, I have my sample video, and at normal speed, it is this one right here. So it looks like this. Now, if you do want to speed it up, you want to right click on that clip right here in your timeline. Now in here is that you want to go into video speed. And in here, you would now have this right here on your top left menu. And then you can now drag this slider on how much you're going to increase it. So make sure that it's above 1 if you do want to speed up. But if you do want to slow down or slow motion, you would want to go less than 1. And take note that if it's too low, then it might become choppy. So right there. And yeah, basically just want to increase the speed. Let's say 31. And now, as you can see, it's too fast. And it's making our clip too short. So I'll just go for 7, for example. Right there. And now when we play it, we will now have that result. And as you can see, they are now sped up. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.